how to recenter location when Apple Maps is off track. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So is Apple Maps showing you in the wrong place or pointing in the wrong direction? Then don't worry. Here's how to recenter your location in Apple Maps in seconds. So open up your maps and then look for the arrow or the location icon in the bottom right corner. Tap on it, and then this will instantly bring you back on track. So you can just tap on it to enable or disable the recenter. So you can see how it works. You can see the east, west, north, south option. You can just tap on it, and then you can recenter the map. And then once it is recentered, you can just start walking or driving. This improves the accuracy significantly. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.